this video, I will show you the Shopify page hide product. So let's get started. So in order to do that, let's first head over in here on our settings. And on your settings, you should be able to scroll down until you can see this custom data. Click on the custom data, and here you can see the meta field definitions. So in here, what we can do is you can head over to the products right here, head over and click on this add definition, and then let's name it hidden. You can also name this hidden products right here, and then put that right here. And you can also put in your description if you want. You can also select a type of how it will be used. Now for this one, let's click on save right here. So let's first add in here a type for this one. So for example, you can make a product for this. So you can also add list of products for this one, or you can also just add one product. So for me, I'll just choose list of products. After that, I'll save it. And once it's been saved, as you can see it right here. So let's head over and close this. Head over right now to the product page of your Shopify. And then from in here, just head over and then just choose a product that you want to actually put in this. So for example, let's use this example t-shirt right here. And on this one right here, let's actually just scroll down to the bottom until you can see this meta fields right here. So in this one, let's head over and then click on this meta field for the hidden object. Click on select product, and then let's add this example t-shirt for that. Now let's click on add right here. And then before we save this, let me just show you what it will look like on my web page. So on my web page right here, I have actually this product. So as you can see, we can actually just try to hide that. So let's head over and then let's try to actually save this one. So let's head over and click on save. And as you can see, product has been saved. And let's head over to our store and then let's refresh it. Now, if you head over and try to search for t-shirt, as you can see, there's still that, but it's because it takes some time for it to finish the loading process. And once it's finished, it will be hidden on site of Shopify. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.